helping those in need. Every January, Whale Branch Early College High School's Ladies First plans a special service project to honor Dr. Martin Luther King Jr.'s birthday by serving the community. This year, the club teamed up with the Athletic Leadership Council to donate socks to the homeless.
The reason why it's important for us to do something in honor of Martin Luther King or do something so close to that date is because Martin Luther King really helped everyone just love each other and appreciate you for who you are and that you matter to society. Whether you're rich, poor, black, white, it doesn't matter.
Martin Luther King Jr. was a leader himself, so we try to be a leader ourselves too and get everybody involved and help the community out.
Pink bins were set up inside the school so students and staff could drop off their donations.
Socks is very important for homeless people because if your feet are warm, then the rest of your body is warm, and it's the #1 requested thing that homeless shelters need.
Throughout the school year, Ladies First organizes several different types of fundraisers to help those in need in their community.
I joined Ladies First because I see that I'm giving back to the community, and that's something I like. And being in Ladies First, I'm being a leader and an example to everyone else. And it's important to have these type of clubs in school because we learn at an early age giving back to the community helps the community.
The reason why I wanted to join personally is because I want to help give back to people, and I want to just let everybody know that they matter.
Martin Luther King Jr.'s birthday is January 15th. At Whale Branch Early College High School, Ron Lopes, Beaufort County School District.